All right, guys. So my daughter, she was in the process of painting her house, so we had to watch her birds for her. So this is Penelope. And then that's a pineapple conure. And then the other one is Miggy. And he is a green cheek, guys. Let me know down below what you think about these bad boys. There's some beautiful birds. This one, though, right here, Miggy, is a real asshole. I mean, he likes me, but he cannot stand my wife. And then Penelope, she's still kind of skittish around people because she's still young. But, yeah, guys.
He's a really smart kid.
Don't tell me about my son.
Look at that.
This was clearly a mistake.
You should see him in the light, guys. He's got some beautiful colors.